Welcome to our channel, where today we'll be diving into an unboxing of the ThermoPro Digital Instant Read Thermometer, the model TP03H. This gadget is not just a cool tool, it's your secret weapon for perfecting grilling and cooking. With a lightning fast response time of just 3 to 4 seconds and a wide temperature range, it's built to handle any cooking task. Plus, it boasts impressive temperature accuracy of up to plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit within the most critical cooking range of 32 degrees to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The thermometer comes equipped with a 3.9-inch probe, ideal for getting deep into the center of large cuts of meat. After 10 minutes of no use, it will automatically power off, saving your battery life for when you really need it. Speaking of which, the package includes a AAA battery, a user manual, and even a small screwdriver. Its strong magnetic backing and hook option make storage simple, either on your refrigerator, barbecue rack, or even a kitchen hook. Plus, the calibration function ensures long-term accuracy, essential for any cooking enthusiast. And don't forget the lock feature, which holds the temperature reading on display even after you remove the probe from the food, ensuring you get a safe and accurate reading every time. Stay tuned as we put this thermometer to the test. We got a water dispenser here, keeping water at a nice and hot 195 degrees. Now let's see what happens when we toss in the ThermoPro thermometer. Just going to dip it in here, and let's see what we get. Hey, look at that. The reading is not too far off from what we expected. Pretty neat, huh? It's like having a little truth teller for your kitchen. Thanks for watching the unboxing of our ThermoPro TP03H thermometer. If you're ready to elevate your cooking, click the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews. Here's to perfect meals every time.